Hello everyone, my dear students of first year. Today we will solve some more problems on random variables. Now here the example is the distribution function of a random variable x is given by capital F of x is equal to cx cube, 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 3, 1 x is greater than or equal to 3 and 0 when x is negative. So capital F of x is given here. We know the relation between capital F of x and small f of x that I have to use here. Now the question is find the constant c. First one is find the constant c. Second, the density function. Find the density function means probability density function. So here continuous random variables are there. And third one, p of x less than 1. This term we have to find p of x less than 1. So all questions are there. Have you written the question carefully? Capital F of x is given and we have to find small f of x. Let us find small f of x here. What is the relation between capital F of x and small f of x? Small f of x is equal to d by dx of capital F of x. Means just find the derivative of capital F of x, you will get small f of x. So let us find the derivative of capital F of x. So write down the capital F of x again. Capital F of x is equal to cx cube between 0 to 3, 1 x greater than or equal to 3 and 0 if x is negative. And for negative numbers we know that the probability is 0, so no need to write it, or you may in small f of x no need to write it. Now here take the derivative. Small f of x is equal to, the value of small f of x is equal to, yes, what is the derivative of 3x cx cube? C is constant. What is derivative of x cube? 3x square. So first value is 3x square into c between 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. Understood it? Next, what is derivative of 1? Derivative of 1 is 0. For x greater than or equal to 3, it is 0. So I get my new f of x. My new f of x is, means small f of x is equal to 3cx square between 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3 and it is 0 if x is greater than 3. Hope you have understood it, or greater than or equal to 3, no problem. So we solve problem now. Now our second question is to find constant c. To find constant c, always keep in your mind we take minus infinity to plus infinity, small f of x dx is equal to 1. But here interval is 0 to 3. So take 0 to 3. Then 3cx square dx is equal to 1. Take small f of x here. 3cx square. C is constant. 3x square. What is integration of x square? X cube upon 3. So I get here, can I write here? C in bracket. Yes. 3 as it is. X cube upon 3. Limit 0 to 3. 3 get cancel. I get 9 minus 0. I think 3 cube 27. 27 is there. 27 into c is equal to 1. And you can simplify 1 by 27. You will get the answer. Now put value of c in your small f of x. In your small f of x means this term. 3cx square between 0 to 3 and 0 x greater than or equal to 3. 1 by 27 substitute here. X square by x square by 9 between 0 to 3 and 0 if x is greater than or equal to 3. Understood? So this is value of f of x, and we find c also. 1 by 27. We get a new function f of x is equal to x square by 9 and 0, and now we have to use that function. So this is your density function. This answer gives you the answer of second also. Density function means x square by 9, 0 to 3 and 0 x greater than or equal to 3. Now last question remains. P is x less than 1. X less than 1 means 0 to 1 because our point starts from 0. 0 to 1. So integrate 0 to 1. P of x less than 1 is equal to 0 to 1. Here x square by 9 and dx. Integrate. It is x cube upon 27, 0 to 1. So your answer is 1 by 27. Correct? 0 to 1 is there. X less than 1. No? If x is greater than 1 there, then x is greater than 1, then 1 to 3 we have to take. 1 to 3. Understood? So all questions get clear there. You will get your answer here. If x is greater than 1, in fact I have solved here x is greater than 1. If you see, this is for x is greater than 1. X is less than 1, 1 by 27. If x is greater than 1, then 1 to 3 and integrate it. X cube upon 27, 1 to 3. If I put 3 here, 27 upon 27, it becomes 1 minus 1 by 27. So your answer is 26 by 27. So 4 questions we have clear cover here. Which are that? First one is we have found density function, we have found constant, then we have found p of x less than 1, and next one is p of x greater than 1. All questions are there. The fourth question I have not written here, but you can write x greater than 1 also. Understood? So we will see one more example. Now see the example here. The distribution function for a random variable x is capital F of x is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 2x, x greater than or equal to 0, and 0, x is less than 0. Now find, write down f of x. F of x is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 2x, x greater than or equal to 0, and 0 if x is less than 0. Find, first one is the density function, means I have to find small f of x, density function. Second one is the probability that x is greater than 2, means p of x greater than 2 we have to find. Third, probability that minus 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 4, means lies between minus 3 and 4 we have to find. So all three questions we will solve. First step, our small f of x is equal to what? Small f of x is equal to d by dx of capital F of x. So take the derivative, you will get the answer. So here derivative. What is derivative of 1? Derivative of 1 is 0. Correct. Minus. What is derivative of e raised to minus 2x? Minus 2 into e raised to minus 2x. So here 2 e raised to minus 2x. X greater than or equal to 0. And it is 0 if x is less than 0. So all steps get covered. This is your f of x. Now our first question is over. Density function is over. Now probability that x is greater than 2 means I have to integrate from 2 to infinity. So take that. P of x greater than 2 is equal to integral 2 to infinity f of x dx. What is value of f of x? 2 to infinity, yes, 2 into e raised to minus 2x dx. So 2 constant, what is integration of e raised to minus 2x? E raised to minus 2x upon minus 2. So here I get 2 in bracket, e raised to minus 2x upon minus 2, limit is 0 to, sorry, not 0, it is 2 to infinity. For infinity, value is 0. Here 2 to get cancelled. For infinity, it becomes 0. Minus minus, it is plus. Upper limit minus lower limit. And put here, x is equal to 2. So I get e raised to minus 4. So this is your answer, e raised to minus 4. Understood? E raised to minus 4 is your first answer. P of x greater than 2. Understood everybody? Next one, between minus 3 to 4. So integral minus 3 to 4 f of x dx. For here you have to keep in your mind minus 3 to 4, but my value starts from 0. आपली जी व्हॅल्यू ती 0 पासून सुरू होते. मग निगेटिव्हसाठी नाहीच आहे ना आपल्याकडे, मग आपण 0 लिहिणार. मायनस 3 टू 0 साठी 0 dx अँड 0 टू पुढे कुठपर्यंत आहे 4. 0 टू 4 तिथे आपण लिहिणार 2 e raised to minus 2x dx. इंटिग्रेट अगेन. परत e raised to minus 2x इंटिग्रेशन काय होईल? e raised to minus 2x अपॉन minus 2. e raised to minus 2x upon minus 2. That minus 2 and 2 cancel होईल. Upper limit minus lower limit. You will get 1 minus e raised to minus 8. असं 1 minus का आलं ते पण सांगतो बघा इथे. हे इंटिग्रेशन तर 0 आलं याचं 2 e raised to minus 2x upon minus 2 लिमिट कुठून कुठपर्यंत आहे 0 to 4 लिमिट इज 0 to 4 2 get cancel put here put x equal to 4 so minus e raised to minus 8 2 into 4 is 8 and minus minus it become plus e raised to 0 is 1 and हेच मी लिहिले 1 minus e raised to minus 8 understood all the problems so both problems we have covered here right some more problems we will take. A random variable x has a density function f of x is equal to c upon x square plus 1 minus infinity is less than x is less than infinity. Find constant c. So f of x is given for all intervals. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity. I have to find constant c. f of x dx, that is c upon x square plus 1 dx. c is constant, is equal to 1. c is constant outside. What is the integration of dx upon x square plus 1? Have you remember? dx upon x square plus 1 integration. Yes, c is constant. It is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x minus infinity to plus infinity is equal to 1. So c into tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tan inverse minus infinity is minus pi by 2. Tan inverse minus infinity is minus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 it become pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Correct? येतं लक्षात c into is equal to 1. So your answer is c is equal to 1 upon pi. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. Transfer to that side RHS. So c equal to 1 upon pi. So this way we can solve a simple problem. Solve one more problem here. A random variable x has probability x f of x given 0, a, 1, 3a, 2, 5a, 3, 7a, 4, 9a, 5, 11a, 6, 13a, 7, 15a and 6, 17a. So all values are given. Table is given. So this is your distribution table, means PMF is given. Determine the value of a. Find p of x less than 3, p of 0 is less than x is less than 5. दोन क्वेश्चन एकत्र. And third one, find distribution function of x. Distribution function you can by adding you can find it. Now I will give you some answers here. A, then p of x. I will tell you the hint, you can solve it. To find a, add all and equal to 1. Summation of f of x is equal to 1. इंटिग्रेशन नाही येणार इथे बिकॉज पी एम एफ इज गिवन सर्व व्हॅल्यू फायनाईट आहे ना सो हिअर ॲडिशन ऑफ ऑल टर्म इज इक्वल टू 1 इफ यू सिम्प्लिफाय दिस बघा ए प्लस 3a ए प्लस 3a 4a प्लस 5a 9a प्लस 7a 16a प्लस again 9a 25a plus 11a you will get 36a plus 13a so it is 49a plus 15a that is 64a plus 17a it is 81a so 81a is equal to 1 means a is equal to 1 by 81 first answer done. Now put that a equal to 81 each and every one and do your calculation the next one. So p of x less than 3 means 0 1 2 less than 3 3 पेक्षा कमी so 0 1 2 this addition. So a plus 3a plus 5a means 9a. Understood? 9a. A plus 3a plus 5a. P of x less than 3. So 9a. A ची value टाका 1 by 81. So 9 into 1 by 81. Your answer is 1 by 9 probability. Here 0 to 5. In fact 0 is less than x is less than 5. म्हणजे 0 पण नाही आहे याच्यात आणि 5 पण नाही आहे. Means 1 to 4 only. Add all and put value of a. And distribution function 1 by 1 you have to add and big formula you will get capital F of x is equal to like this. You can do it yourself. Okay, so we stop here. In next lecture we will start the new concept.